everyone. I know it's been a crazy long time since I have posted, but I got my March kit a while ago from the scrapbooking store, and so I wanted to finally do a kit share for you for the month of March. My life has been insane. If you didn't know, I started a cleaning channel, and I've been focusing so much on my cleaning channel that I just haven't had time to do any scrapbooking. So, life is changing. But it's okay. It's for the good. So this is the collection we are working with. It is called I Love Spring, and it is from Echo Park. And it is super cute. I cannot wait to jump in and get a couple layouts done, hopefully soon for you guys. I know I said I was going to be posting lots of videos for this company, the scrapbooking store, and then I just haven't had any spare time at all. So let's just jump in. This is the 3x4 card page. So it's super cute, just all about spring. I love this side. Super cute pink polka dot kind of. Then this is the 4x4, I think is how big they are. Yeah, 4x4 journaling cards with that. I think, so I don't know if I've told you guys, but the way I'm doing my 2021 scrapbooking is in 6x8 albums, and I'm just doing purely pocket pages. So with a lot of these kits that I get, I will probably mainly be using the 3x4 cutout sheets and stuff. That's what I have decided. So that's kind of what I'm thinking right now. This one is super cute. Look at that. That is so stinking cute. Oh my gosh. So cute. And then, ooh, I really, really love this page. I love a good stripe paper. And this is cute. It just has a bunch of sayings. Oh, happy day, spring, bloom and grow, live simply, imagine, be grateful, dream big, kindness, laugh lots. Just super, super cute. And then, oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at these two colors together. Like this sky blue, kind of baby blue with this yellow. Oh, that would be amazing. Okay, then we have the 4x6 sheet of paper. And then, oh, this is so cute. Then we have some pretty florals with a pink polka dot on the back. I'm most definitely going to use this side. I'm not really a floral person. I don't know if you've noticed. Butterflies, they're okay. I like this floral side though, the pink. Then we've got some vertical 4x6s. Those are pretty. And then some really pretty florals. This is actually really cute. I would totally use this maybe like as a border or something. And then we've got some more of the patterns all on one sheet. This is really cute. I probably won't use it though. Ooh, I do like that brown. And then this is a pretty floral. This one would be fun to fussy cut and use as embellishments. Oh, that side is gorgeous though. Love, love, love that side. And then tags, super fun. I'm not crazy about this orange. It's kind of weird to find orange in the spring collection to me. Then there's this one. Definitely won't use that side, but I definitely would use this side. Love that. Okay, so that is the main kit, is this. The papers and then the sticker sheet, which is just so super cute. It has a lot of the embellishments and things that are on the cut apart sheets. So I love that. Then with the add-on, the embellishment add-on, you are going to get a lot this month. Oh my goodness, it doesn't want to come off. I wanted to pull it out of the packaging so it wouldn't have the glare, but I love this. I was so excited when I saw this. So these are Pebbles shaker stickers, and they like totally, they're kind of like stuck to the top, but I thought they were so stinking cute. I don't know if you guys can even really see because of the glare, but I thought they were stinking cute. So this one's a cupcake with flowers on it. This is flowers, champagne glasses, a cute little bunny. This one, it says congratulations on it, and I think it's got like a bunch of flowers in there, so it's like flower pots for sale. And then this one is a cake with some cute little birds. Look at that. And then some flowers and stuff all around the cake. So super cute. Then we also got 3 of each of these, which I was like, holy cow, that's kind of crazy. Excuse me, had to sneeze. So these are Chamel Never Grow Up layered stickers. There are 7 pieces, and you get 3 packs of them, I guess. I'm not really sure if that was an accident or if that was on purpose. But these are super cute and they'll be super fun to play with. And then also 3 of these Heidi Swap stickers, which say best ever, stay gold, smile, crushing, happy memories, and then lots of stars. So that'll be super fun. So that's the embellishment kit this month. So stay tuned. Hopefully I will come back this month sometime and be able to have some fun playing around with this kit, and that I'll be able to share with you guys. I hope you're all doing well. I've missed you. I know life is changing, and I think it's going to change more. So I will try to come and do an update. We have a lot of stuff going on in our life right now, and Mark and I, my husband and I, are talking about some new changes we might want to be making to our family and our life. So we shall see how that goes. I hope you're all doing well. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out all my links below if you'd like to become a member of this kit club. It is so worth your money. I think this whole kit, if you subscribe for a year long, is, I know I'm going to say it wrong, but I want to say it's either $15 or $20. I can't remember. It might be 20. I think it's 20. $20 to $25, which for this much stuff is kind of unheard of in the Scrappy world. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys hopefully very soon.